Picture this. You wake up one morning and your name, your actual name, is on a billboard, but you didn't put it there. Someone else is using it to sell products, promote services, maybe even profit from your reputation. Sounds like something out of a legal thriller, right? But it happens more often than you think. The truth is, if you don't protect your name, someone else might just take it and run with it. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international business attorney and best-selling author based right here in Miami, Florida. For nearly 3 decades, I've helped entrepreneurs, influencers, executives, and even entire families protect what matters most, their brand. And sometimes that brand begins with something as personal and powerful as your own name. Let's start with this. Yes, you can trademark your name, but not everyone should, and not everyone can. Trademark law wasn't designed to protect your identity for sentimental reasons. It was designed to protect consumers from confusion and businesses from unfair competition. So when can your name be trademarked? If your name is being used in commerce, meaning you're using it to sell a product or service, and your name has acquired distinctiveness, it could be eligible for trademark protection. Think of names like Oprah, Elon Musk, or Martha Stewart. Their names are trademarks, not just because they're famous, but because they're commercially tied to the goods or services they offer. So if you're a business owner, a public figure, a content creator, or even an athlete, and people associate your name with a product or a service, that name may be worth protecting. Now, not so fast. You can't just wake up and decide to trademark your name because you like the sound of it. The United States Patent and Trademark Office is very selective when it comes to personal names. Here's what they look for. Is it being used for commerce? And is the name distinctive, or has it acquired a secondary meaning? And will people associate the name with the source of a particular good or service? For example, if your name is John Smith and you're selling real estate, you'll have a very hard time getting that trademark unless you can prove that your John Smith name is uniquely tied to your services and that the public recognizes it in that way. This is called acquired distinctiveness, and it often requires substantial evidence, marketing materials, advertising budgets, customer recognition, and years of consistent commercial use. Let's say your name is legally protected. What can you actually trademark? You can trademark your full name, a stage name, initials, or even a signature, as long as they function as a brand. Take Kylie Jenner, for example. Her name isn't just her name, it's a brand tied to makeup, skincare, and fashion. Same with Tiger Woods, whose name is trademarked for use in golf equipment, apparel, and even video games. If you're using your name for a clothing line, a podcast, consulting services, or a YouTube channel, you may already be sitting on trademark gold. Why does this matter? Because in business, your name can become your moat. A registered trademark gives you the exclusive right to use your name in connection with your product or service, the ability to stop others from using a confusingly similar name, nationwide protection under federal law, and the power to license or sell your name as a brand. Imagine building a successful coaching business, media company, or product line only to have someone else capitalize on your reputation. A trademark helps you prevent that, and it adds real, tangible value to your business. Trademarks also show up as intellectual property assets. Investors look at them. Buyers care about them, and courts enforce them. So can you trademark your name? Yes, but only if you treat your name like a brand and not just a label. Here's the bigger picture. In a world where personal branding is more powerful than ever on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, even podcasts, your name might just be your most valuable business asset, but only if you protect it. I'm Santiago Cueto, and if you're building a brand around your name, make sure it's protected before someone else beats you to it. If you want to learn more how to register your name or enforce your rights, reach out. You've already built that name, now let's help you own it.